Hello there, my name is Oscar Ginsberg. I am one of the developers of the Ethereum Doge bridge. Today I'm going to explain how the Dogecoin to Ethereum side of the bridge works. This project was built by me and CoinFabric, and the objective of the entire project is to create a fully decentralized bridge between Dogecoin and Ethereum, where Dogecoins could be sent to the Ethereum blockchain, creating an ERC20 token called Doge tokens, and those tokens could be burned and get Dogecoins back. On github.com/Dogethereum you can find our source code and our documentation and white papers. So let's review how the Dogecoin to Ethereum of the side of the bridge works. We created this concept of superblock. As I said, we wrote a white paper about that because we think that same concept could be used to bridge other blockchains to Ethereum. So we group every Dogecoin block that is produced during the same hour in a superblock. And just the root hash of the superblock is sent to the contract. That means that just a summary of the superblock is sent to the contract. So by doing that, we spend one in 60 times the amount of gas that we will spend if we were sending every single Dogecoin block to Ethereum. So anyone can propose a super block to the to the smart contract, and the contract will eventually build its copy of the super blockchain. Given anyone can submit a super block proposal, that also means that anyone can submit an invalid super block proposal. That's why there is an actor that is the Superblock Challenger, which is in charge of validating a proposed superblock. And if it detects an invalid superblock, it will denounce to the contract, and a challenge response battle will be started. If the superblock was in fact invalid, the submitter will be penalized and the challenger will be rewarded. There could be many things that could be wrong in a superblock. For instance, for the superblock that goes from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m., if it contains a block which timestamp is at 2 p.m., well, the superblock is invalid. Another thing that could be invalid in a superblock is one of the block's proof of work, and we use TrueBit script interactive verification to validate that. So assuming the contract has a valid super blockchain, in order to send money from Dogecoin to Ethereum, a user should send a Dogecoin lock transaction to one of the registered operators and then inform the smart contract of that transaction. To prove that that is a valid Dogecoin transaction, the user should prove to the smart contract that the Dogecoin transaction is included in a Dogecoin block, and also that the block is included in a valid superblock. Once the user has proven all that using SPV proof, the Doge token contract will mint the same amount of tokens the user sent on the Dogecoin blockchain. So there are three main actors for this side of the bridge: the user, who sends coins from Dogecoin to Ethereum; the superblock submitter, who proposes superblocks; and the superblock verifiers, who validates that the superblock submitters are sending valid superblocks. So go ahead and test the Dogecoin Ethereum bridge that is deployed on Rinkeby. The Dogecoin to Ethereum side of the bridge was implemented using the superblocks concept. If you want to contact me, I am Oscar Ginsberg on Twitter. Bye.